Hey guys, it's DIY video quarantine style. So I'm going to show you right here in my kitchen how I could set up for an interview or even show a product demonstration. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that I would take so that you can copy them and you can do it to make video for your own business. Okay, first off, if you're going to be on camera, I want you to look your best. If we weren't under quarantine, I'd be saying, go get your hair and makeup done. But that's not going to happen. So do the best that you can. But I also want the background, what's behind you, to look great too. If it's your office, I want it to be your office on the best day. If it's your kitchen, I want it to be your kitchen on your best day. If there's stuff on the counter, you can just put it on the floor, right? Okay. Then if you're doing a product demonstration, did I say product? You can showcase whatever products you're trying to show to your fans and followers or customers easily in the same space. Just make sure that you have the ability to highlight the product, whatever angles you want on it, the best you can, and have the lighting look good on the product in addition to yourself. So when we're talking about lighting, things that look best, I think, for products and people is big, flat, soft lighting. And you can get that from windows. For me here, I have a bank of windows in front of me. Yeah, I have a window behind me, but I'm balancing for my face so that my face looks well lit. That's what we're talking about. We're talking with our face. So I want to make sure that I have nice soft lighting in front of me. I also want you to think about sound. So if you use the mic that's in your camera or your phone, it's going to pick up all the room noise. So that I want you to isolate. They make a lot of different mics that you can use with your smartphone or with your camera. They even make a tiny little wireless mic that I've used with my smartphone. It sounds great. It used to be that the hardest part was taking the clips, the video clips and footage that you would shoot, and blend them together and create that video in editing. Now there's so many apps that make it easy. I'm going to show you a few of them later on in this presentation. So I want you to get ready. Lights, camera, action. You can do it.